Hello, saplings and sprouts. I wanted to share with you guys 5 different proven benefits to keeping houseplants in your space, your home or yurt or whatever. So number 1 is going to be pretty obvious for a lot of you guys. Plants are known for filtering the air very thoroughly. They go through a process called photosynthesis where they take energy from the sun in order to grow, and they take water from the soil or whatever they're growing in, and they just sort out our carbon dioxide, turn it into a nice breathable O2, and yeah, it's pretty great. Number 2, they boost your mood. No, I'm not kidding. It's been proven that a walk as short as 10 minutes in nature can actually relieve symptoms of depression and anxiety. And obviously it's not like a full treatment for your mental health issues. You should be speaking to therapists or counselors if you need to, taking medications if that's what suits you best, but it never hurts to add a little green to your life. And for some of us, it's not always easy to go somewhere natural or go into the woods or, go out in nature. So inviting plants that are easy to maintain into your space or that can survive is a really simple way of increasing your mood. Plants are also shown to improve recovery times for those in hospitals recovering from surgery or from age-related illnesses, so that could be a nice thing too. Number 3, plants are shown to increase productivity and creativity, meaning that if you're an artist who constantly gets, writer's block or artist's block, inviting plants into your space could be a way to really kickstart those sensations that you're looking for. There's something about having a living organism in your space that gets all those little bubbles out, all those little creative boys to do their thing. Number 4, plants improve your sleep quality. So, if you're constantly suffering from insomnia or restlessness, or you wake up a lot in the night, it could have to do with the high levels of CO2 in the air. The rooms that we spend most of our time in tend to accumulate CO2 in them, especially if we're not opening our windows. Having plants in your room is kind of like having a natural dehumidifier or rehumidifier, I guess. There are certain plants like the peace lily that are more active in the nighttime and will supply you with a stronger stream of oxygen. Tip number 5 is going to be really helpful for those of you living in the tropics. Plants actually increase the humidity in the air, and that helps keep the air temperature down. Keep your AC bill down and stuff. You just have to be really careful if you're living somewhere like Canada. Your plants might get very dry in the winter time, so you might want to invest in like a little spray bottle to like mist them. So some of my favorite plants, you could check out a Boston fern. Like I said, I have had a Chinese evergreen in the past, which I wish survived. It was really sweet and cute, but didn't like the humidity. But Chinese evergreens are toxic to cats and dogs, so if you have pets, keep them off the ground or somewhere out of reach, or even don't have them if that's safer for you. But money trees and spider plants are both safe for cats. Like the snake plant is really well known for having some pollutant removing benefits, as well as peace lilies, so you could maybe check those out if you wanted to clean up your space. So in conclusion, bringing plants into your house could increase your mood, it could increase your productivity, it could make you feel better at night, it could promote healing, it could clean the air, it will clean the air. If you're ready to take the plunge, let me know down below. And yeah, I hope to see some pictures of your guys' plants or something someday. See you guys later. Plants are good for you.